Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to change the input source on a Sceptre monitor. This is a common issue, especially if you have multiple devices connected. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, we'll talk about the most common method, using the monitor's buttons. Most Sceptre monitors have physical buttons located on the front, side, or bottom of the screen. These buttons control the monitor's menu. Look closely for a button labeled Menu, Input, or something similar. Sometimes, it's represented by a square icon with an arrow pointing into it. Once you find the button, press it. This should open the monitor's on-screen menu. Use the other buttons, like the up and down arrows, to navigate through the menu options. Look for the input source or source setting. Select it. Now, you will see a list of available input options. These might include HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA, DisplayPort, and others. Use the up and down arrows again to highlight the input source that matches the device you want to use. For example, if your computer is connected to the HDMI 1 port, select HDMI 1. Press the OK or Enter button to confirm your selection. The monitor should now switch to the selected input source. If you don't see a dedicated OK or Enter button, try pressing the menu button again. This often acts as a confirmation. If you are still facing the issue, try pressing the power button and then following the instructions again. Sometimes, the menu might be glitched or frozen. Second, some Sceptre monitors have a dedicated input button. This makes things even easier. Simply press the input button repeatedly. Each press will cycle through the available input sources. Stop pressing the button when the monitor displays the input source you want to use. This is the quickest way to switch inputs if your monitor has this button. Thirdly, if you're still having trouble, check your cables. Make sure the cables connecting your devices to the monitor are securely plugged in. A loose cable can prevent the monitor from detecting the input source. Also, try using a different cable to rule out a faulty cable as the problem. Finally, if none of these methods work, consult your Sceptre monitor's user manual. The manual will provide specific instructions for your particular model. You can usually find a digital version of the manual on the Sceptre website. Knowing your exact model number will help you find the right information. That's it. You've successfully changed the input on your Sceptre monitor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Your support helps us create more content like this. Have a great day.